Replace an alignment bar on the HP Latex R printer series when the bar is not working correctly. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS or internal print server, touch Maintenance. In the list of maintenance operations, touch Replace an alignment bar and then touch Start. The screen displays instructions for the replacement process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Move the front alignment bar to the service position. Go to the input side of the printer and use a screwdriver to loosen the screws and remove the front alignment bar. Place the alignment bar on a flat surface. Position the new alignment bar at the pins and then tighten the screws to secure it. From the IPS, calibrate the alignment bar.